Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different and a little lower tech than usual, but I think hopefully equally cool. I bought these two pair of Rayban sunglasses. Not real happy with the way that this box looks. Hopefully the smashing didn't translate to what was going on inside, the box. Hopefully the sunglasses themselves are fine. This was actually in a larger Amazon box on the outside, so I'm not really sure why that would have gotten slammed like that. But this box actually looks pretty good. But a couple of different types of sunglasses that are very similar in style. My son bought a pair that was similar to these, not this exact model, but I love the look of his sunglasses when I tried them on. So, and they look great on him as well. So I thought, let me try, and they're both black and silver, but with a little bit of a different spin. So I figured, why not film a video in case anyone out there is also trying to compare these guys, and then also just to give you a general sense in terms of what they look like. So, without further ado, let's take them out of the box, and I think we'll start with the mangled box version first here. Ray-Bans, I won't really wear anything other than Ray-Bans, so it looks like there's a harder, no, it's the regular case that they have, sort of the plasticky case that they have, not the hard shell, but the plastic case that they have with all of their sunglasses these days, or at least at this price point. And then, you know, they always do a nice job, so it looks like the case is generally fine. There's a little, that could just be my fingerprint, so generally fine. They always pack a wiping, you know, a little wipey thing, and then you've got your directions. Ooh, and look, I think these are going to be the ones. These look a lot like my son's, and I already love them. Wow, and they feel really nice and solid. So that's the first pair, and this I should have said before I took them out of the box. Hold on, let me just get you the model number right now. Too bad I couldn't stand them up somehow like this. Let me see, so you guys can have a look while I'm doing that. Well, I'll show them again in a second here. Hold on. All right, don't want to get them all scratched up just yet. That's the other box. Set that aside for now. So these are the Clubmaster Metal, and the model number is 7017, black on silver, light gray, gradient dark. And I'll just say I absolutely love these. Maybe I'll actually film a separate video where I try them on. And if I do that, I'll link that up with, well, I think I'll edit it just to show them at the end what they look like on my face. And I can't make any promises on that, but they're a little bit smaller, so I have kind of a large head. You can probably see in the reflection there. So a little bit smaller than I would like, but I love the look. I love the way they feel, and I love the fact that you've got the sort of the metal, and then you've got metal on the bottom, and then the black going across the top. And I like the metal on the nose as well, which just sort of gives it that subtle look. So absolutely love those. So looking forward to trying those on and comparing. And then the next one, I guess we'll introduce these first. So these are also black on silver, and they have a green lens. And I wasn't really sure about that, which is what prompted me to buy both pairs. One of these is going back. They're too expensive. I can't afford to keep them both. But yeah, I figured I would try both on, and maybe even gift one to someone. I'm gonna think about this, think that over a little bit. So I think the other ones are gonna be the winner, but let's just, for sake of completeness, take these out. And again, we have our, here, let's put this there. And again, we have our, you know, sort of instruction book. And then, oh wow. Yeah, you know, I like these too, actually. So these are more, I guess, a little, oh, they're very similar, but a little larger. And the green isn't really a thing. It looks almost gray or blackish even. I do like the fact that these are larger, and don't mind my shaky hands. I'm just trying to balance these on here for you guys. And then, so the other thing about the greenish ones is that they're actually polarized. I forgot about that, which also means more expensive. But here's what these guys look like. And then the sort of the stems here, like it's just a nice slick black, and a little bit, you know, maybe a little more refined. Certainly it's a larger size glass. But yeah, anyhow, so yeah, again, this is going to be a tough decision for sure. I like the style of these a little better, but I like the size of these better. So I guess it's gonna depend on trying them on. And like I said, if I figure out a way to edit the video where I can do that, I'll show you guys what they look like on my face as well. But again, so these are, that second pair that I showed you is the It's the 0957 number, black on silver with green, and you know, that doesn't really look, I was afraid it was gonna be, you know, a dramatic green. It probably just has a little bit of a green tint to it, but I don't see that at all. It looks almost like more like blackish gray. So I absolutely love these. And then the other number, maybe that's the number you need. It's ORB 3569 on the top, and then 0957. I believe the 0957 is the more important number, but I really don't know. I love the, you know, the little Rayban. Some of the newer ones don't actually have that, but I like having the Rayban logo on there. And then this one has it as well, as you can see. So then I'll just put this box aside and just repeat what I just said about the others. So ORB 3716. This is the Clubmaster Metal 7107 model, black on silver. So yeah, there you have it. Two really cool pair of sunglasses, and I'm going to it's going to be a tough decision. I'm actually leaning toward the polarized ones, which is interesting because I really, really enjoyed my son's as well, which are more similar to the ones on the bottom. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Like I said, something a little bit lower tech, but equally cool. Hopefully you guys got some value from this video. If you did, if you wouldn't mind, just give me a quick thumbs up. It really helps out the channel a lot. And enjoy your new shades, man. Ray-Ban's definitely the way to go, and I'm excited to try these on. So hopefully this was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, cheers. Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. So I said I would film the actual sunglasses on my head, my large head, if I could. So these are the Clubmaster ones with the gray and black and silver. And I will try the green ones next and take a short video of what that looks like. But here they are close up. I'm leaning slightly towards these, but I'll show you the other ones next. Hey guys, as promised, and so this is the 3569 model. These are the black, silver, and green frames. And as you can see, there is, you know, sort of more of a green tinge when you look at these in the sunlight. So I think I'm leaning slightly towards the other ones for that reason. I don't love the green, although I do like the size of these, and they fit a little better on my large head. But anyhow, hope you got some value from the video. If you did, please give me a like. Appreciate you. Cheers.